Okay na yan. Planchahin. Ayan, ikumpara naman natin. Ayan, tingnan mo, sobrang lukot. Ayaw naman natin pumasok sa office ng ganyan, no?
Oo nga. Speaking
Ayan.
of office, sa mga husband dyan, or yung...
She's like a sister to Amber. And she's been in the crowd tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Danielle.
Form of feminine care that cleans from the inside and not just externally. The other great thing is it doesn't just clean, it actually keeps your feminine area healthy. Therefore, it...
Ikaw na, Yummy, pork tocino.
Lakas pala yun.
Siyempre, para hindi mo marinig. Candidate number 2.
Coaches like Coach Fizdale, they make you a better defender by teaching you how to play team defense, teaching you to be 5 guys on a string, watching film, and that's what this Knick team is going to get to.
Oo, binigay na agad yung score nga ng judges, tapos na eh.
Ah, talaga? O, ba't pa ako nandito?
Oo, parang siyempre, i-finalize lang.
Umiiling na nung tinawag ko, umiiling na.
Talaga?
Sabi, tapos na, sabi ng judges.
Beautiful it is. O niya, nakita mo? Tingnan mo ang grace niya. Ayan ang kanyang ito yung kill. Yan ang tatama sa mga batuhan, sa reef, sa coral reefs. Ay, hindi lahat ito, punong-puno rin ng ukit yan. But you see the grace. Tignan mo yan. Ayun ang detail niyan. Noong mga
your hair and scalp problems. VensCare. Say goodbye to varicose veins and spider veins. W2 Mestiza Scent. The skin.
The holidays are coming, and what better way to prepare a feast than by getting the best kitchen helper? Let the ASD electric pressure cooker handle all the pressures in the kitchen for you.
After all the children are asleep, that's when I'm using the Total Abs, and I find myself enjoying using it because it allows me to take time for me. I'm sitting on the bed.
It's amazing that today, after all these thousands of years, the most controversial issue in the whole world is the city of Jerusalem. The one unsolved political, military, racial...
Kasi dahil taga Pampanga yung nasa bahay nila sa Pampanga, nag-aaral sila dito sa UP. Sa amin sila nakatira. Pero yung anak ng isa naming
Well, we can actually clean it afterwards, diba?
Exactly. Now, what I like to do is I like the color gradient of the black and white. So I don't really fill it up.
Importante yun sa birth ni Jesus Christ. Can we read?
Verse 18, this is how the birth of Jesus Christ came about. His mother Mary was pledged to be married to Joseph.
Tanong, di ba? Sa Luke chapter 1, I think that is verse 36, 37, and 38. Sabi niya, paano mangyayari yan? Virgin ako. Ang sabi ng hagi dun sa miracle na yun eh. Huwag na tayong magulat sapagkat sa banal na kasulatan ayun, tigil muna tayo doon eh. Kasi ang Holy Spirit ay alam natin sa Genesis 1 verse 2, nandoon na siya sa creation eh. Na magsalita ang Lord,
Get the intention.
Debemos de obtener la intención.
Sí. If your intention is to live in piedad or
Wakey. I'm vlogging.
naman niya sinabi na siya Diyos, ngunit anak ng tao. dadagdagan ko po ito, no? Marami pong may mga ibang Christian do they dress like that?
Quiero darle un ejemplo con las madres católicas o las monjas. Usted las ha visto en vestidos muy ajustados, sin espalda.
By man-made lighting, the wetland park is an average 100 times brighter than the sun. Among all the pollution issues,
Glad you're with us, everyone.
Sa isa't isa ng pag-ibig.
Okay, it's Haji.